Alright guys, we are back. And you know what? Kennedy's gonna keep doing things, and you know what that's gonna be? Opening Pokemon cards. And today I have something a little bit special planned. So I have a Pokemon Power Mystery Cube. And I have no idea what to expect with this. So I've seen some of the other Pokemon YouTubers opening up mystery boxes. I have opened up one on this channel. It's over here. But this one, I have no idea what to expect. I have not actually watched anyone open this. Today we're gonna see what's inside of it. So I think the best way to start with that is to open up some other Pokemon cards, because I'm gonna make you wait. So while I was searching for the Primal Clash packs at the Family Dollar, I did pick up some Unified Minds. They only had 6, so we'll see what we get. While I was searching, I also found this mini booklet that also comes with the Unified Minds pack. I'm pretty sure once I open this up, we'll see. So yeah, let's open them. Alright, so we're going to start off with the dollar packs, see what we can do with those. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know that the dollar packs, they have treated me very, 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 very well on the channel. I'm much appreciated, and I'm hoping that trend continues. So we have a Cubone, a Fracture, and a Bohemian Reverse Holo on the first one. So, great way to start getting a Reverse Holo in the first pack. Let's see what else we get. So just a reminder, the dollar packs do not have code cards, but there will be a code card in that mini portfolio, so make sure you're sticking around for the full video so that you can get that. So we have a Cottony, Energy, and a Garchomp Holo. Rare Holo. Very nice. We will take that, especially for $1. Alright, let's see. On to the next pack. So we have a Gibble. Well, hold on. We gotta do the card trick, of course. So we have a Gibble, Energy, and a Swaddle. Super cool card. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. The artwork on that is cool. Okay. So, let's see what we got. We have Snorunt, Coach Trainer, and a Reverse Holo Fungus. So another Reverse Holo, we'll take that. For $1, you can't complain with Reverse Holos. They're not super valuable, but they do have value. Alright. Skorupi, Cherish Ball, and a Wimpod. So we have a Skorupi, Oranguru, and a Lipard Reverse Holo. Nothing crazy. That Garchomp, it's a nice card. Okay. So let's see what's in the mini portfolio. So I'll zoom out just a little bit so you guys can see this. So if you're unaware, they sell these, so it is Unified Minds. Great news. It is Unified Minds. So they sell these, they're called mini portfolios. Basically it's a little booklet that you can put your cards in. I actually have binders, they're all right here. Eventually I'll have something on the side that shows what they are. But you can put your cards in here. I don't use these, but I do think they are nice. Alright, so the pack has already been opened. This is not a good sign. It's got a green card. 1, 2, 3. So it should be 3. I really hope I didn't get scammed on this. These are very easy to open, but I did not check to see if it had been opened. The fact that this pack was already slightly open, I don't have a good feeling. Let's just count the cards real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So, at least all the cards are in there. It is a green code card. I don't think I gave that to you. So there's not going to be a holo rare in the pack, but I guess we'll see. I think, yeah, I already moved the card forward. So, Water Energy, Heracross, Type Null, Slackoth. I'll move that up just a little bit. Drifloon, Dewpider, Druddigon, Cottony, Salandit for the reverse holo, and a Xurkitree. So it's kind of frustrating that happened. I'm happy that the cards look like they were not actually messed with or cards taken out of it, but people don't steal. Like, especially from like a dollar store. But so this is what I got from Unified Minds. Nothing crazy. I'll take the Garchomp all day. Alright, so now what everyone's been waiting for. I don't have a ton of faith that I'm going to get anything crazy in here. I did buy this off of eBay. These were sold at least Walmart, I'm sure. I don't know if they were sold in another store. The person that was selling them on YouTube, they were selling multiple. I don't know if there's a way to check and see if there's a rare card or see what the rare card is without actually opening it. I will say it does not look like it's been opened. So I guess we shall see. But so for those wondering, you can get 60 common cards and 3 foil or 2 foil and an EX GX special card. So to really try and get people to buy these mystery boxes, they put these cards on here. Obviously, these are very valuable cards in their base set. That's what people really want. The chances of me getting that are extremely low. They have the Dark Charizard, Mew, Zapdos. Like they just covered in these super rare cards. I don't have a whole lot of faith that I'm going to get it, but let's see what we get. So we'll zoom out. Alright, so let's open this thing and see what we got. Obviously, they may have been able to reseal this. I'm hoping not. I'm going into this opening mostly with positive thoughts. I like to think that everyone in the Pokemon community is good, honest people. But, you know, there's always going to be those dishonest people. So let's see what we got. I actually am not entirely sure how to open this. Alright, so we got it right here. Don't know what the best way is. It's like a very nice box. Alright, so okay. So these are going to be some of our commons. These are also some of our commons. And then our rares are at the bottom. We'll put this over here, we'll move this out of the way. We'll move this over here for now. And let's see what we got. Energy, recycle. We did get a reverse holo. That's nice. It's supposed to be common cards. Charmander, Marill, Pansage, Reboot, Galarian Stunfisk. Alright, let's zoom in just a little bit. I had to do a little bit of rearranging so that you guys could see everything. So we have a Dottler, Zigzagoon, Sizzlipede, Swinub. Very interesting artwork there. Surskit, Shuppet, Paris, Geodude, Ekans, Pokemon's guy, Snake backwards, Caterpie, Coughing, Energy, Energy Lotto, another reverse holo. This thing is scratched to... I mean, I've seen considerably worse, but look at that. Most of the time these mystery boxes, maybe all of them, I have not done my research to see if it is all of them, they're packaged by a third party, so so this set was packaged by MJ Holding. Whew. So you can see that on there. I would think for the money they would take a little bit better care, but it is also put in a box. Maybe this was on the front or the back, but definitely scratched to hell. Ekans, Voltorb, Duskull, Esper. I also appreciate that I got a reverse holo, but I would prefer it was in considerably better condition. Croagunk, Dragonair, Spinda, Togedemaru. That's always a mouthful. Ghastly, Misdreavus, Kakuna, Emolga, Pikachu. Look at that artwork. Shelmet, Nickit, Simisage. Ooh, I saw something. Energy. Then we have a reverse holo Energy. This one is in way better condition. Very nice. Let's zoom back out. Mysterious Fossil. Another reverse holo. Potion. Wishy-Washy. So we have a Pyukumuku. That's a mouthful. Young Goose. Fearow. It's a pretty nice looking card, honestly. Pinsir. Granbull. Charjabug, Golbat, Pinsir again, Torracat, Bellsprout, Cutiefly, Grimer, Alolan Grimer, Inkay, Sock, Brion, and then for our 3 rare cards, they did include a free top loader. Very nice of them. And I'm curious what order I should look at these in. I feel like they probably... I almost saw that I didn't. I would say probably this last card is the rarest. So the front one is going to be like the normal rare. So we have a Panpour reverse holo. I would say that's a normal rare. A Paris reverse holo and a Electabuzz reverse holo from the Evolution set, which is also scratched. So you can see those scratches. Down there's it's scratched. So this is my second mystery box, and overall it's fine. I didn't get anything crazy, just mostly reverse holo cards, which is fine. It's a mystery box. You're kind of gambling. You're gambling basically with every pack. You have no idea what you're going to get, but I wish they would at least take a little bit better care of some of these cards. I didn't really inspect this one, but you know, you can see, yep, see that mark? Like, I wish if they're going to sell them, take better care of the cards. So that's pretty much been it for today. I would probably not recommend getting the Mystery Power Cube just based off of What I saw, the scratches on the cards, just I don't think is acceptable. How rare the cards are, or how hollow they are, or things like that. That's fine that I didn't get those. I'm not mad about that. I just want to get cards that are in good condition, and I think some of those are just not in a good condition. It's not acceptable if you ask me. But thanks for watching. It's always a pleasure to get to open these packs. And please consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Let me know in the comments, have you guys had that same kind of experience? If you bought one of the mystery boxes, were your cards scratched? Did you pull anything? Did you pull a Charizard, or a Shining Charizard, or a Zapdos, or a Dark Charizard? Like, they have all of the Charizards on here, basically. Did you pull anything? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit the bell icon so that you guys are notified each and every time I upload. Have a great day. Be positive. I know I got a little bit down at the end, but I'm gonna get over that in a few minutes, and I'm gonna make the best of this day. So I think you guys need to do the same. Have a great day. Keep opening Pokemon cards. All right, thanks. Bye.